When are you visiting the Philippines?
Okay, everybody, we're back here at Ketchenette, where we did the buko. Oh my God! Yeah, where we did the buko video, and I said it right this time, buko, not boko. So don't correct me. And we're celebrating. What are we celebrating? We're back here with Ma'am Jessa and 2 kids and 2 friends and another friend. And another Lolo. Hello, Lolo. So we're celebrating what today? 900,000 views. Wow. So what are we going to do? You're going to show us what?
How to get the coconut.
You take the... Okay, we'll start again. We'll see. So you're going to show us how to get the coconut. So we're going to take the green one and then get that, and then we get the white meat. Okay, here we go. Wow.
I get this one.
Wow, so nice. And let's see this. So that's the green. It was wrapped in this. It's a very, like, almost like hair fiber, but very strong. And then this is very hard. That's the hard coconut. Okay. Now you have the bolo.
Bolo.
And you don't save that water?
No.
No?
If you want to drink it.
Wow, that looks amazing. That is so fresh. Look how thick that is. So when I bought the green one, very thin, soft, it grows into that. Wow, that is amazing. And now what do you make with this?
Used for cooking. Ginataan.
So you can do drying, or you can do the dried white?
Grind it.
Grind it. Wow. And you can make coconut milk?
Coconut milk.
And put in baking also? Nice. Okay, Ma'am Jessa, congratulations. 900,000 views. Hey, girls, what do you think of your mom? 900,000 views. Wow. She's a YouTube star, eh? Okay. Salamat, Ma'am Jessa. Balik.
Balik ko sa kitchen. Current kitchenette.
All right, say come to Kitchenette. Say that. Say it in Visayan and English. Both.
Ari mo diri sa Tubtubon, Sibulan, sa current kitchenette, nami daghang butong o lube. Barato ra kaayo.
Now in English.
No?
Yeah. Just say come to Kitchenette. And
Come to current kitchenette. We are selling coconut and young coconut. It's very cheap price.
And saging.
And we also have saging, cardaba, banana Q, and another snack.
And today you had pancake.
And we have pancake also.
What's the pancake made of today? Is it not coconut or
No.
saging? Just flour.
Just flour.
Okay. All right. Let me flip this. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for the 900,000 views on the first video. I'll put a link in the description for that one. Let's get Ma'am Jessa to 1 million on that one, and we'll see how far we can go with this new one. Here we are at Ketchenette in Sibulan, Tubtubon barangay. Come and visit, and make sure you buy your coconut here.
Thank you for watching. Please watch some of these other videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We appreciate your support.